Hey everyone, I hope you all enjoyed a beautiful warm weekend. Last Wednesday, I had my hat and gloves on at my son's baseball game, and by Friday, we were swimming. The joys of living in Ohio, right? I feel like I have a lot of reminders to share this morning, so grab your cup of coffee and bear with me for just a few minutes. As previously shared, senior grades and grades for all potential junior graduates are due by today at noon. Please make sure your final calculated grade is accurate and that you are using the OHVA grading scheme. You do not need to export to SIS at this time. After noon today, if a senior or potential junior graduate moves from failing to passing in your course, please add that information to our senior extended grade updates form on SharePoint. We have included the direct link in our end of year checklist that is also in today's Monday update. I will be joining our high school counselors at the office this Thursday for credit checks. We will check every student twice to make sure all graduation requirements have been met. There is the chance that we might be reaching out to you for clarification on a grade, so please watch for emails or phone calls on Thursday, and please do your best to get back to us quickly. I included details for our face-to-face ceremony and our virtual ceremonies in today's update, so be sure to check those out. Finally, exam week for our 9th through 11th graders starts on Wednesday. We are almost there. Thank you for supporting all of your students during the 21-22 school year, and I hope you all have a wonderful week. Thanks for listening.